GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram. Go and join my Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and the prop firm right here and sign up with these brokers because I want you to have a separate account when you are going to trade with my signals. My signals means separate account separately. I need that data in the future. Okay, so check out these things, join the Telegram and all of that, and subscribe and do whatever you have to, because that's your job. Now coming back to the chart, starting with the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are going up, so we will only look for longs this week. So let's come back to daily. In daily, what do we have? He made a new high. Okay, so yesterday's blue candle broke the previous high, so we made a new high. Today is taking a pullback. What is our entry? When is our entry? Let's go back to 4 hour for that. Our entry is quite obvious. So from here till here, pullback. Okay, so this low not broken, this low not broken. Okay, now let me use this line here. That's very good. I hope you can see the blue line here. Okay, now when shall you enter long? When shall you enter short in GBPUSD? If this low is broken, then enter short after the pullback. But if this red candle is eaten by the coming blue candle, then go for long. Okay, so if you want to enter long, this is the 4 hour candle. Some people will enter as soon this candle is finished in almost 2 hours when I'm recording the video. So it's 1 hour 54 minutes to go when I'm recording the video. Some people will enter long as soon this candle will be closed, and they will go long and take their profits right here. Some people might wait for this for the next blue candles to eat this red candle and then enter long from Monday onwards, I guess. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. If you believe that yes, we are in the strong uptrend, I think we are in the strong uptrend, and I personally believe if you enter after the close of this candle, you will have the chance to take your profit somewhere here. So look for longs after each pullback, especially if you're a scalper or 30 minutes trader. If you trade in 30 minutes, 1 hour, you can surely look for longs and take your small profits and walk away. Okay, so long-term trend is up. Look for longs after each pullback. I think pullback is over here, and as you can see this line here which I have drawn, if this low is broken, for example, if it continues down, then you have to wait for the pullback and then go short. I don't think that's going to happen. Otherwise, if this low is not broken, then you can enter the long in short time period, like 1 hour. You can enter long after the close of this candle in next 2 hours, and then trail your stop loss. So just do whatever. I think you're experienced enough to know what I'm saying. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, do all of that, and join the Telegram and sign up with the brokers and subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.